Your intentions mean if it's not executed, nothing happened with it. You can't tell me you love me, and when it's going to go bad, I'll be there for you. But when it goes bad, you're not there for me. Hello? You cannot say we are brothers, but when it goes downhill, you choose to go sit on a rock and just wave at me. Or throw a verse at me. Christianese. Hey brother, just trust the Lord. There's no purpose in that. That's not biblical. Zacchaeus climbed a tree because he was looking for purpose. Jesus didn't say, hey brother, pay your tithe. He said, hey brother, get off there. I'm eating at your place tonight. Okay? It's real life. So he's saying here, each one may receive the things done in the body, in your body, your current body. You've got a purpose. He doesn't say here, pastors go out and do all of these things. He says, pastors teach and lead the saints to do the work of the ministry. You need to go. I also go. I just want to make you aware that somewhere there's a balance problem where the people has come to a point where they say, no, the pastors must do this. The leaders must do this. If these seats are not filled, it is because we are not doing what we are supposed to. We are not effective. We need to look at those things. And the enemy is lying to the church and saying, you're not good enough. You still have this sin. You still have this rubbish. If you're born again, he's preaching to the church here. He's not preaching to the unsaved. He's preaching to the church. If you're born again, you are good enough.